Starting on basically Friday, that is going to be probably the hardest weeks of my year, or probably my life. This is my first ever tech week. We need to get our bearings in order, get our things lined up. Here's the general idea of what we're going to do in this vlog. Obviously, I want to do my homework, so we're going to do that now. Probably in the morning time, I want to work out at my apartment gym complex, and then I want to wash my hair. I need to fill air in my tire because it's been cold and that tire's flat. After that, I think I'm gonna go to Java Burrito Company. I got a lot done today. I feel good about today. Time very much well spent today. Hey manifesting guests, it's me, Manna Steel, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new, and specifically welcome back to the lifestyle channel. Hello, hi, how are we? Next week I have Tech Week for the play Vacancy, directed and written by Grace Cafania, and I've never had Tech Week before. This is my first ever Tech Week. Yeah, we need to get our bearings in order, get our things lined up. That way Tech Week is as stressless, right, as stress-free. That way Tech Week is as, there's no stress, no unnecessary stress for Tech Week, because I don't need stress, child. I'm completing a design project that I have due tomorrow, which is Thursday. I'm gonna complete that assignment now because I'm not gonna go to my class tomorrow. I looked ahead and looked at the assignment that's due for next Tuesday, and baby, I don't need to be in class to see what to do. I know what to do already. I wanna leave this in the past. Like Elsa said, the past is in the past. Let it go. Like, letting it go. So let's go ahead and get this design homework completed. I have to do storyboards, which is gonna be very interesting. Let me set up the camera so y'all can see me work. Done! Actually, I do have more. Crap, I literally do. I don't want to do it, but I might as well just do it now. Okay, I do have a little bit more of homework. I'm gonna get it done. I'm not gonna film any of this. I don't feel like it. I've been up since 7, and it's 11. That's not crazy, but like, I don't do all-nighters. I don't do this type of stuff. I need to be laying down, but whatever. All right. Alright guys, so I finished 2 out of 3 assignments that I wanted to finish. The other assignment, it's a discussion board. I already did the first half of it today, but I need to respond to like 2 of my classmates, but only one person has responded, and their response was not good, so I don't want to respond to it. The response was not good, so I don't want to respond to it, so I literally have to wait on other people. So Wednesday, it's a wrap. I'm going to bed. Well, actually, I'm not about to go to sleep, but I'm about to lay in bed, wind down on my phone. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hey, Mannafests. Good morning. I woke up about 10 minutes ago, actually. It's 8:49. I'm just trying to go over my day in my head and think about like probably in the next 10 to 30 minutes, just whenever I feel like actually getting up, because it's cold. It's cold in my apartment. I'm gonna record a dance cover to Stress by Chungha, and maybe that 1XG song. I want to do another dance cover. I need to do one. I'm gonna shower, wash my hair. I need to wash my hair. After that, I think I'm gonna go to Java Burrito Company and get me some food. Guys, I'm not sure if I'm getting my nails done anymore. I don't think I want to spend that much money. I don't think I want to spend that much money right now. Like, I don't want to drop $40 right now. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what we do. Stress. Get a stretch and get ready to start dancing. 500 million years later, I finally recorded the first dance cover I wanted to do. And I also started my Fitbit like 23 minutes ago dancing. I've been dancing for like maybe 45 minutes now, and I've already burned 314 calories. And now I think I want to learn the beginning. The whack, Vogue-esque beginning. I think I'm gonna learn that. It is 10:50 p.m. or 10:51 a.m. My bad. Oh my gosh. Just finished recording Chungha dance covers. Since I low-key burned 750 calories. Actually, there's no low-key. Like, I actually just burned 750 calories. I think, do I want to keep the good vibes going and learn that XG dance? I think we might have to hit out this XG dance. Luckily, this XG dance is like really cute. All right, it is 11:10 a.m. I did the XG dance. I learned it and did it fun. I didn't really perfect it or anything. It's just kind of fun. It says 971 calories. I'm thinking like, bruh, should I low-key just like jump around, dance around to make it 1,000? Should I make it 1,000? Now I'm about to go wash my hair and shower. Before I get in the shower though, I'm gonna do a load of laundry. We're gonna put that in the wash machine. That way it finishes by the time I'm like getting to the washing my hair portion of the shower. Then we'll switch it to the dryer. So yeah, let's do that. What's my name? Say it loud. Alright, so got out of the shower, hair washed. I just need to put some product on my hair. My hair is still wet. I'm gonna go in with the curling smoothie from Shea Moisture. Also guys, I'm so hungry. I usually would have eaten by this time, but because you know today's a special fancy day, you know, we're reworking our schedule as we go. So my stomach is like, girl, you need to go get something to eat now. I'm doing my hair in a slick back fashion because I need to have my hair trained for this weekend. The hair is laid back. That's why we go in with the Cantu avocado styling gel. But anyway, we're gonna get a good amount of gel. I'm gonna use more than I usually do, and we're just gonna slick her back, have the hair trained. We're gonna integrate the hair with one another. So we're just gonna put the scrunchie. I don't know if the scrunchie gonna work. We might have to go in with the hair tie. I might retie this ponytail. Actually, shoot. I might actually wait. Boom, I'm not putting the scrunchie in because maybe that will just allow some of that airflow. That being said, I'm gonna get dressed and then I'll show y'all my little OOTD. Then we're going to Java Burrito and I'm gonna walk there just because I love to walk. Walking is therapeutic to me. Walking helps me clear my mind. I do my best thinking whenever I'm walking.
over break, what we can do is
just finish the table reading. Sorry, the vlog's been quiet because I've been on the phone with Michael ever since I left to start walking to Java Burrito. You know, that's okay. We still were able to record while being on the phone with him. So we're just gonna turn that into a montage moment. I'm about to go back to my apartment. I might read my vacancy script just because, listen baby, as soon as the clock strikes 12:00 midnight, Hell Week has begun. Hell Week has begun. Kate sent out an email. She sent out lines need to be memorized, and I'm just like, my lines are good, but still they could be better. So all right, thank you so much, Mannafests, for spending this self-rejuvenation, this preparation day with me. It honestly was much needed. I got a lot done today. I feel good about today. Time very much well spent today. If you like videos like this, leave a thumbs up. I think I might want to go live. I don't know when this video is coming out. I might go live, do my makeup when I have to do my makeup, do my makeup with me. Shoot, who knows? Stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, look at the socials, follow the socials, connect with my music and stuff like that. And guess what? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! You got it right.